Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. OpenAI's new AI-powered search engine, SearchGPT. Welcome back to Clean Router channel. This groundbreaking innovation promises to revolutionize how we interact with information online. But as always, the internet's evolving landscape brings new challenges, especially for family safety. That's where Clean Router comes in, ensuring your family's online experience remains secure. Let's dive into what makes SearchGPT special and how Clean Router can be your trusted partner in navigating this new era. SearchGPT is OpenAI's ambitious foray into the search engine market, aiming to rival giants like Google. Its advanced AI capabilities promise more accurate and context-aware search results. Imagine searching for complex topics and getting answers tailored precisely to your needs. This level of personalization is unprecedented and could change our internet interactions significantly. However, with great power comes great responsibility, especially in protecting young internet users. Clean Router's robust filtering technology ensures that even as search capabilities advance, your family remains shielded from inappropriate content. One of the standout features of SearchGPT is its ability to understand and interpret natural language queries more effectively than ever before. This means you can ask questions in a conversational manner and get relevant, comprehensive answers. It's a significant leap forward in making the internet more accessible to everyone. But accessibility should not compromise safety. Clean Router integrates seamlessly with these advanced technologies, providing an added layer of protection. We ensure that no matter how sophisticated the search engine, harmful content is kept at bay. In the competitive landscape of AI-driven search engines, SearchGPT sets itself apart with its focus on user experience. By leveraging machine learning, it continuously improves its search algorithms, offering users smarter and more intuitive results over time. This evolution is exciting, yet it also underscores the importance of vigilant online safety measures. Clean Router is designed to adapt alongside these advancements, ensuring that your family's internet experience remains both innovative and secure. Our commitment to safety means you can explore the web's new frontiers without worry. A unique aspect of SearchGPT is its capability to deliver real-time dynamic search results that evolve as new information becomes available. This ensures users have access to the most current and relevant data. However, the dynamic nature of information online can sometimes lead to exposure to harmful content. Clean Router's continuous updates and filtering mechanisms keep up with these changes, maintaining a safe browsing environment. We're dedicated to providing a secure digital space for your family, regardless of how fast the internet evolves. As AI technologies like SearchGPT continue to advance, they offer incredible benefits but also pose new risks. The personalized nature of AI-driven search can inadvertently expose users to tailored but unsafe content. Clean Router's customizable settings allow parents to control the level of content filtering based on their family's needs. This flexibility ensures that even with AI's personalization, your family's online experience is safeguarded. Our mission is to balance the benefits of new technology with the necessity of safety. SearchGPT's launch marks a significant milestone in the evolution of search engines. Its ability to comprehend complex queries and provide nuanced answers is a game-changer. For families, this means more efficient access to information for educational and entertainment purposes. Yet, with this efficiency comes the need for robust safety measures. Clean Router's technology is designed to provide that safety without compromising the quality of your online interactions. We believe in making the internet a valuable resource while keeping your family secure. The integration of AI in search engines like SearchGPT highlights the need for adaptive safety solutions. As search engines become smarter, they also become more unpredictable. Clean Router's advanced filtering technology is continually updated to tackle new types of online threats. This proactive approach ensures your family's protection in an ever-changing digital world. We're committed to staying ahead of potential risks, so you can enjoy the benefits of AI without concerns. Clean Router's long-standing expertise in online safety makes it a trusted partner in this new era of AI-driven search. Our 15 years of experience have equipped us with the knowledge and tools to safeguard families effectively. As SearchGPT and other technologies evolve, so does our approach to online safety. We provide the peace of mind that comes from knowing your family is protected by the best in the business. Our partnership with cutting-edge technologies ensures a safe and enriching online experience. SearchGPT's ability to deliver personalized search results is a double-edged sword. While it enhances user experience, it also necessitates more vigilant content monitoring. Clean Router's comprehensive filtering system addresses this need, providing a shield against inappropriate content. Our goal is to allow your family to benefit from personalized search without the associated risks. We're here to make sure that the internet remains a safe space for learning and exploration. The rapid advancements in AI technology bring both excitement and challenges. SearchGPT represents the future of search engines, with its sophisticated understanding of user queries. In conclusion, the launch of SearchGPT is a testament to the incredible progress in AI technology. It promises to revolutionize how we search for and consume information online.